Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to check your Instagram account history for the past year, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to view everything you've changed on your Instagram account over the last 12 months. Whether you're curious about your old usernames, profile photos, or bio updates, this guide will help you see it all in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look to the top right of your profile page and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. This will open up a list of options. From here, tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a record of everything you've done on your account, from posts you've liked to the changes you've made. Next, scroll down and tap on Account History. Here, you'll see a timeline of all the updates you've made to your account. Things like username changes, new profile pictures, and bio edits. But if you only want to see changes from the past year, there's a handy filter option. At the top right of the Account History page, tap on Filter by Date. A calendar will pop up, letting you choose a specific time range. Select Past Year to instantly filter your account history to just the last 12 months. Now, you'll see a clear list of every change you've made to your Instagram account in the past year. This is perfect if you want to review your activity, keep track of updates, or just satisfy your curiosity. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily view your Instagram account history for the past year. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on using Instagram's latest features. Thanks for watching.